In this video, I'm gonna break down the exact funnel that Brez used to make a million a month and how you can just pretty much copy that for your info business. My name's Mark and I help creators and coaches launch and scale their high ticket offers without any ads or outreach, but purely YouTube. So if you wanna work with me, just click the first link in the description and book a call. So we'll start with the first and most important element in his funnel, and that is traffic. So throughout his traffic, he sells this big idea that he is a 20-year-old millionaire boy who got rich with freelance brand scaling. And the more we will break down his funnel, you will find that in all of his content, in all of his posts, he basically sells this one big idea. And this one big idea is the core and the foundation of his marketing. So we'll start off with the Instagram, and that is his Instagram is basically I skill brands and own cool cars. So he just has mentioned what he does with a hobby, keeping his 18 to 25-year-old ICP in mind, who literally wants the same thing. Then he has some proof and link to his funnels. So his basically Instagram is set up in a way so that his ideal customers can be attracted toward his profile, and his Instagram profile reflects that as well. In his highlights, he basically have two kind of posts. So the first one is his lifestyle, his daily life that he's living, the nightlife in the Miami, I think. And he travels and drive cars and all. And then he has the proof of his work, so you know that he's not just making some big claims like any other guru. He knows his stuff and he has worked with people and he has made money. So he basically pushed the lifestyle and the proof content in his highlights. Then we have his reels, and his reels are basically like mostly the repurposed reels and clips from his long form YouTube videos. And then he has this raw talking head reels that he just him talking to his ideal customer and just either sharing some value or just explaining or breaking down something. So that's pretty much it with the reels. Now we have the most fundamental and most important part, and that is the YouTube. So he has two YouTube channels. I think he has three, but these two are the main ones. So the first one is his educational channel, and the second one is his vlog channel. So these two channels, combined, they sell this, idea that the freelance brand scaling is the way to go, right? The people who watch his vlog channels are gonna be sold on this idea that this lifestyle is caused by this one vehicle, this one freelance brand scaling vehicle, right? And in his second channel, he breaks down the specific problems of the customer, and I'll show you his content strategy in a minute. So in his vlog channel, he mainly posts cinematic lifestyle vlogs. So you would see he's getting a ton of attraction on his channel, like thousands and views on his channel. And the main thing, the goal here is to basically generate a lot of attention from his lifestyle, right? And channel that attention to his educational channel, and then just channel that attention, which is like a more qualified attention, to his funnels. So let me just break down his $1 million per month content strategy. So it has three parts like any other strategy, which is the first one is top of funnel. So this is the type of content which is known as belief shifting content, right? So this got a ton of views, and he sells the big idea that freelance brand scaling is the way to go. And he breaks the false beliefs and install the new required beliefs that they need to succeed. So you would see the videos at this stage are very broad, and they are always mentioning this one freelance brand scaling. Like he push this one business vehicle in every title, in every uh, video possible, so that he can just sell them on this opportunity as much as he can. Then he has middle of funnel content, which is micro problem solving content. So he knows his audience inside out, and he knows the exact problems that they are gonna face and they are gonna be going through. So he basically makes the content specifically for those problems. So like ad creatives, ultimate course, Facebook ads tutorial. So he literally knows that what they are gonna be searching, his audience, and he makes content for that. So these videos are gonna be watched by the people who are sold on this idea, right? Who are trying out this idea and who are gonna be faced by these problems. And again, this cement the whole idea of the freelance brand scaling. Then we have the bottom of funnel content, which is raw talking head content. So these are the main videos that are basically building the relationship of him with his customers. So just him, talking to camera, him, just sharing his lessons and advice to his younger self and what lessons he has learned. So it's just raw talking head style, just feels personal and build the trust, and he is very authentic with the content. So the main goal here is to build relationships. So this is the main, like the big picture of the funnel. So we are having a lot of views here, right? We are solving the main micro problems of the customer, and we are basically having a one-on-one relationship with the customer, and then we channel that entire views in our funnels. So his description is written in a way in which he is getting qualified attention for every single offer. The first one, the first call to action he has is his call to action for coaching offer. Then he has his call to action for training. Then he sends his traffic to his main channel, which is the vlog channel. And then he has his call to action for the business owners who want to work with him. Then he has his basic Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and Twitter. So that's pretty much it with the YouTube side of things and Instagram. Now, once he has this this much traffic, he sends this traffic to funnels. And let's just break down the conversion mechanisms and the funnels that he's using. So the first type of funnel he is using is free training funnel. So this is the funnel that he basically used to collect emails, and he basically send emails to these people, and he basically convert them into his clients in the newsletter by weekly or daily emails. So it's just basically 11-minute training that reveals that that one vehicle, and that is again freelance brand scaling. Then he has his second main VSL funnel, which is the main offer. So you would see this is a VSL that sells his offer, and this is the exact headline for his ICP, and this is the type form that that the customer has to fill to work with him. And then he has a lot of the testimonials, so that people can actually believe that he knows what he's talking about and his stuff works, and the people are in his coaching are succeeding, right? And then he has just some button, and then we have just some more testimonials. And here is a quick breakdown of his $1 million per month VSL funnel, or VSL video, you can say. So I'm not gonna just break down the entire script like word by word. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just share with you what he is actually doing in each of his line. So firstly, he's basically in the first few minutes he reveals the big opportunity, that is the run the profitable ads for his to his customers. Then he shows how big this opportunity is, like showing how there are millions of businesses throwing money at Google, Facebook, and TikTok ads. And then he basically built some credibility that he knows his stuff. He got rich at 21, built $1 million business and all. And then he pushed this new opportunity again, that is freelance brand scaling. And then he qualifies that who is this offer for, and who is this offer is not for. Then he shows some proof that his stuff works and how people have got insane results. Then he would set some expectations so that people can really get the results and can really feel this is not another some scam or something. Then again he basically explains the opportunity and sell them on the opportunity. And then he would just show them the process of how it actually works, how they can join, what's gonna happen after that, and how the entire process works. And then again he just shows some proof that how one of his student got insane results and how they have crushed it. And then he would handle the objections and the biggest objection that they can face. And then he would reveal the product. right? This is the unique mechanism, that the elite round table, which is the product wheel, and then he would just again sell the product, and then he would just simply build some scarcity, and then a simple two option call to action would be there. So if they have like he would say you have two options, like just live your life the way you're living right now, or just join this thing and live your dream life. Then a simple call to action, and that's pretty much his entire funnel. So if you want me to just break down his entire VSL videos, like line by line, just let me know and I'll do it in a separate video. So with his main VSL, he got a plenty of attention with the for his actual coaching offer. And once somebody who wanna work with him click on this button, they have to fill out basically a type form which qualifies his customers, and uh, like filter down a lot of the people who are not his ideal customers and who are not able to buy his program. Then he would have the simple Calendly page there, where his customers would just book a call. Then he has his third funnel, which is book a call funnel, and this funnel is specifically for people who wants to work with his agency and who wants brez to basically scale their like businesses. So this is for the businesses and marketing agencies and all who wanna who just wanna implement his strategies and everything for them to scale their offers. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the conversion, and this is the last part, and that is the close. So once somebody books a call, setters handle the rest. They would confirm the call with SMS. They would gather more information about the lead and encourage them to show up. They would send all the text, email, and call reminders before 3 days before the call, 24 hours before the call, 1 hour before, and then 5 minutes before. And then actual sales process will happen, and the people who are going to be closed are going to be the closers will collect the cash, and the program will start. And the people who would not show up for the call, the setters would follow them for 7 days, and the people who are not closed are going to be added to the free resources to convert in the future. So that's pretty much with the bread skills entire funnel. So the main component and the driving factor of this funnel is the traffic, right? He basically sells this entire idea of the freelance brand scaling, and how how he got this luxury lifestyle with this one vehicle, and how they can do the same if they would join his coaching offer. And that's how he basically sells his audience on his coaching offer, which is insane level of marketing, great marketing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you are a coach and you have a following, if you are a creator, you have a following, and you want to launch and scale your high ticket offer on YouTube without any ads or outreach, just click the first link in the description and book a call with me. God bless.